Hey, what is up everyone? In this video, I'm going to teach you how to activate TurboTax from Costco. Now, here, as you can see, I got to turbotax.com, which is their official website, and I need to sign up to create a new account. So click on sign up right here at the top. And then all you need to do is to fill in your information, your email address, user ID, password, and then your phone number, and create an Intuit account, which is the mother company of TurboTax. Now, at some point of the sign up process, you'll be asked to enter your passcode or passkey. Now, this passcode should be included in your purchase. If you purchased a physical copy of TurboTax, you'll find the passcode inside of the box somewhere. Or if you purchased a digital copy, usually the passcode is emailed to you. So make sure to save this passcode and enter it when you are asked to, and you are good to go. Your Intuit TurboTax account will be created successfully.